Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a family tree in Microsoft Excel. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process for another Excel tutorial. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Excel. To bring up and open the Microsoft Excel, we need to click on it under the best match. Click on the blank workbook. Now, the case here is that even if you are not that good in editing, even if you don't know a lot of it, you are not going to be pressured because you're not going to do it manually. It's just very easy and how you can create a family tree. Simply click on the File tab right here on the ribbon and you will find this on the right pane, More Templates. Click on that. First things first, you need to make sure that you are connected to an internet connection and you will find this option search for online templates. Click on that and simply type family tree and click on the search icon and you will find this option. So it's up to you. You have the first option, family tree generator, and the second option, photo family tree, which is very much or more beautiful and artistic to look at than the first one. But it's up to you as to what template you're going to use. You just need to simply click on that and you will find this option, create. Click on that and there you go. So here you can simply create your family tree. You just need to simply edit it. For the current generation, you have to just simply put the name. From here, edit it. By editing it, you can just simply put this cursor, and then hit the backspace key and type the name. And also for the photo, you can simply replace it. Just make a right click and then select cut, and then you just need to simply assign a photo in here by right clicking, and then you just need to simply paste a photo that you have copied from your Windows. So that's it, as easy as that. You just need to simply put your credentials in here. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.